What's up, everyone? Armand here, and I'm here to give my first impressions of my recent purchases from the house of FREDERIC Malle. I've recently bought 4 fragrances from this house, and to start with, I'm starting with L'Eau d'Hiver, and this was created by Jean-Claude Elena. Jean-Claude Elena is, of course, involved in a lot of the Hermes fragrances. I'm not sure if he's the house designer for Hermes, but I've had a few Hermes fragrances before created by him. He's really known for subtle, fresh fragrances. This one is L'Eau d'Hiver, a 50 ml bottle. So spraying this for the first time. I have a tester strip here, which I cut myself. Anyway, okay. Okay, typically Jean-Claude Elena, very fresh, very agreeable, very mass-pleasing. This is probably very appropriate for daytime use. Definitely daytime use, I mean. Next one is French Lover here. And this was created by Pierre Bourdon. I'm not really familiar about the works of Pierre Bourdon, so let me just check on French Lover or his fragrances. So, opening this up right now. So the notes listed here are galbanum, spices, angelica, cedar, incense, vetiver, oak moss, and white moss. So I expect this to be very woody and ambery, very aromatic. So testing this out. So it's very aromatic. It's nice. It's developing quite nicely. Well, at least on paper. I haven't tried this on skin yet. Very the vetiver is there, of course, and the angelica. Let me try the others. This one, I think I'm most excited to smell. There's a lot of hype about Portrait of a Lady, and this one is targeted towards women, but a lot of men have been using this as well. So this one is a creation of Dominique Ropion. So spraying this right now. Okay, so a lot of rose, of course, patchouli, sandalwood. Apparently there's a raspberry and blackcurrant notes here, but I couldn't detect it yet. It's nice. It's actually nice. I mean, it can be a little feminine, but I think men can pull this off because of the incense and the patchouli and the sandalwood. It's actually very sexy. So next one and the final one is Musc Ravageur. And this one is created by Maurice Roussel. So by the way, FREDERIC Malle, from what I know, is not a perfumer. He owns the house of obviously Frederic Malle, um, and he utilizes the talents of a lot of French perfumers. Frederic Malle, by the way, just a little bit trivia, is the brother of the French director Louis Malle. And Louis Malle, he was the husband of Candice Bergen, the actress Candice Bergen, and I think from the research that I've done, the parents of, or the mother of Frederic Malle and Louis Malle was involved with Dior. Was it Dior or Chanel? And I guess the love affair for, for creating fragrances started with that association. So this is Miss Ravageur. Let me check the notes. Well, I'm spraying this for the first time. Oh wow. This is really very sexy. This is, I've been told that this can get very animalic, but I don't smell it yet. In fact, I find this very powdery, musky. Let me just check the notes. It's developing quite nicely, at least on paper. Wow, this one's really nice. I've been told that this is better suited for colder weather, but well, definitely it's a nighttime fragrance, but I think it's something that you can also wear in the summer, probably during nighttime. But again, definitely it's a nighttime fragrance. So far, I think I like Musc Ravageur the best. Second would probably be Portrait of a Lady. Third probably is French Lover, and the last one would be Le Diver. So again, this is so far my favorite from Frederic Malle. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.